Hi, this is Lara at Elliott Wave Stock Market with your daily analysis for the S&P 500 for the trading session dated Monday 19th of November. I'm recording this video a little bit later than usual, 7:30 in the evening New York time on Monday the 19th New York time. Here's our daily chart, still just the one wave count, expecting we've had a trend change up here at primary degree. The targets remain exactly the same and both with about an even probability. Primary C will reach 1.618, the length of primary A, at 1,013 points. If price keeps on going through the first target, or if when it gets there the structure needs more downwards movement, we will use the second. At 728, primary C will reach 2.618, the length of primary A. Primary C will last months, these targets are long term. Within our new downwards movement we have pink or minute 1, expanded flat for 2, and we're still within a third wave for pink or minute 3. We have minuet 1, 2, and the third wave is still incomplete. At the moment we're in a low degree fourth wave correction, which can't move into wave 1 orange price territory, and we can use Elliott's channeling technique to show us where this fourth wave may end, although I'm suspecting that it may overshoot this channel. Sometimes fourth waves do that. Draw the first trend line from the low of 1 orange to the low of 3, then place a parallel copy on the high of 2. We may see this area provide resistance while the fourth wave unfolds. Wave 2 orange was a sideways moving flat, and it was a relatively shallow correction of wave 1 in that it was less than 50%. Wave 4 will expect to be relatively deep, over 50% of 3, and probably a sharp zigzag, which looks exactly like what's unfolding. So let's have a look at what happened on Monday, where the low for 3 orange down here is this point down here. So we have a nice impulse for 3 complete. This is where 4's begun. So far, this upwards movement looks really obviously like a 5-wave structure with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a nice Fibonacci ratio between waves 1 and 3 aqua here, so I'm not expecting to see a ratio between 5 and either 3 or 1, which makes it pretty difficult to say whether or not the upwards movement at the end of Monday's session is over or not. If it does move a little higher at the beginning of Tuesday's session, you may find resistance at this trend line here. If wave 4 orange is going to unfold as a zigzag, which I expect is most likely, then wave A within it must subdivide into 5, so this all looks exactly as expected. I'll be expecting Tuesday to start possibly with a little bit of upwards movement, and sometime during Tuesday I'm expecting price to trend downwards for a B wave. B waves can be really choppy and overlapping, sometimes though they can be pretty steep. What I am sure of is B can't move beyond the start of A. We have a short-term invalidation point now. We shouldn't see price move below 1343.35 during the next one or few sessions. When B is complete, we'll expect more upwards movement for wave C to complete most likely a zigzag for 4 orange and most likely to take price beyond the end of wherever A has ended. When I know where B has ended, I'll calculate an accurate target for the upwards movement to end. I can't do that yet. At this stage, I'll simply expect this correction for wave 4 orange to last at least a few more sessions and probably to end over the 50% mark above 1388.81, which is also the point where the fourth wave of 1 lesser degree ends. I can't say at this stage how long wave B will take because it depends on what structure unfolds. If wave B within this correction is a simple zigzag, it could be over during tomorrow's session. If it's a double or a time-consuming triangle, it could take 3, 4 or even 5 sessions to unfold. I'll be able to have a clearer idea of what structure it's taking in another 1 or 2 sessions. So tomorrow, choppy downwards movement, maybe for 1, 3 or 4 sessions, and after that, more upwards movement. That fourth wave has begun exactly as expected. Wave 2 lasted 6 sessions, so I'll be expecting wave 4 to probably be about 6 sessions as well, taking up the rest of this week. That's all for me today with your S&P analysis, and I hope that members all had a really great Monday.